So I've got my Unity project here, and I've been making the map. I know, it's a work in progress, okay? Anyway, I made lava down here because lava is cool. No, Harry, you can't just make lava in your game in a facility like Danny. Haha, lava, go. The game is working perfectly.
Hi, sorry for that short interruption. This will be really quick. I'm the editor of this video, MarloDev, and I just wanted to say that I did the movement for the game. So yeah, I'm the one to be credited for that. I don't know why Harry didn't put me in as credit, but yeah, I'm here now. So epic. Also, subscribe to Byte, cause that's how I get my food. Anyway, I'm locked in
Here we have a rigid body and a box collider. Probably the most important part of a character in your game. Also, maybe a character controller. Actually, yeah, a character controller is also pretty vital. In other news, I've been planning out how the levels are gonna work. In the tutorial / level 0, you are trapped in a facility and have to escape through a vent. At the end of the level, you escape through that vent. I know, it's so original, nobody can sue me now. And then boom, you're in a lab inside the facility. But oh no, there are gonna be little guys in there trying to kill you, so you fight them with your cube hands. Anyway, let me know what you want to see in the comments, please. I do read the comments and take suggestions from you guys, so if you want to see something in the game, let me know and I will add it with the help of my trusty guy Marlo, who's definitely not in my basement. Alright, catchphrase time. Eat chocolates and make robots.